Electricians, welding, culinary, manufacturing. Those are just a few of many jobs in high demand right now. And during Career and Technical Education Month, Birmingham City School scholars are taking full advantage, exploring CTE-related career fields and more.
All right, so everything in this workshop is what the state of Alabama considers a technical profession or a technical career. It may not require that 4-year degree. Okay, so what we try to do is change the stigma about these different careers.
The Be Pro, Be Proud CTE Mobile Workshop made a stop at Wenonah High School.
Start thinking about careers, Ramsay. Start thinking about careers. All right?
To engage and inform our scholars, students are getting hands-on experience through fun simulated activities. Welding is new to Ramsay student Kelby Tunstall.
It really is fun getting to get hands-on activities with this, especially the welding, to actually understand how difficult it is. It's really fun. It's challenging too at the same time.
Ben Brugge, the Be Pro, Be Proud tour manager, says the mobile workshop is designed to spark interest in CTE career pathways.
And that's what our goal is just introduce students to those different technical professions and technical careers, as we'd call them high demand careers. Electricians, plumbing, HVAC, welding, it's never gonna go out of style. And we need these careers more than ever now.
How you're gonna use that with these.
Whether it's construction or healthcare, our scholars are getting an early start at finding out if these careers could be the perfect fit for their future.
You know, Jones Middle was just on board, and I think that's a perfect time to start introducing students to careers and getting that true hands-on experience in the 8th grade. So whenever they get up to that high school level, they can realize, hey, you know what, I remember that B Pro truck and that welding was cool, so how do I get involved in welding? Or I remember doing electrical, how do I get involved in electrical?
CTE career pathways are steadily growing, and there are various certifications and credentials available to students, which is why our scholars believe workshops like Be Pro, Be Proud are vital for life after graduation.
For me personally, I know a lot of black kids don't get the opportunity as other kids in career technical activities like this. So it really is really important.
The Be Pro, Be Proud mobile workstation is an excellent opportunity for students and career exploration, especially like you said, those students who are not sure what it is that they want to do. Some students may want to go to college, some students may want to go the military route, some students know they don't want to go to college and go straight into the workforce, and some are still trying to figure that out. So opportunities like this is very important.
P.D. Jackson-Nolan High School recently hosted a CTE career fair and car show, giving students yet another opportunity to explore CTE careers. I'm Jalen Holloway, BCS Media.